civil ethics and civil etiquettes. He was barbaric in nature. He killed so many women. He killed a woman named Kirpa, but with the tide of his both legs with the two camels, and the camels ran away towards the opposite direction, that her body was breached or cut into two pieces, and the head was offered to Muhammad after killing Kirfa, a Jewish woman. The salient feature of the Islam is the rapes with the women, which are the non-Muslims. And war of the Islam always continue. There is no gap between the no gap for the jihad or jihad asgar, fighting against the non-Muslims. This is not the this is not the symptoms of a good ideology. It seems that Muhammad was the mentally retarded person. This is why he committed so heinous crime, and he propagated Allah as a mentor. I think Allah was not a mentor, but the so-called prophet was the mentally retarded person. If you read the book of the Ali Sina, Understanding the Muhammad, you will know that Muhammad was the mentally retarded person. He was the narcissist. He was the made person, and who follow the teaching of the Islam. They are certainly are the rapist, brainwashed killer, and the terrorist. The salient feature of the all of the terrorism which inhibits in Islam. So we can say Islam is a perfect terrorism, and the true Muslim is a perfect terrorist. This is the reality of the Islam. So there will be no wonder if the Muslims are killing the non-Muslims, rape of the non-Muslim women, even the European countries. A lot of examples that the Muslims raped the young white female or white girls. This is due to that Prophet Muhammad also raped with so many women. And even though when he was 54 years old, he raped with Aisha bint Abu Bakr, who was only 9 years old. So this is the real face of Islam. Islam is the synonymous of the terrorism. And all the Maulvi Islamic scholars